welcome to Funders and Founders, the series that highlights startups and investors. I'm Natasha from NVIDIA Inception, and I'm here with our Inception startup.
Jay from FortyGuard.
Jay, it's great to meet you. Thank you for joining us. Can you tell us a little bit about what you're doing at FortyGuard and your mission and focus there?
We're building models that allows us to map temperatures every 10 meters square and every second level latency. We want to bring truth to temperature and take temperature intelligence into every single commercial use applications out there, whether it's for cooler routing, building cooler cities, introducing it to engineers and others. We really see a big challenge when it comes to temperatures at urban levels, which is 2 meters above the ground, and we want to solve for that with AI and intelligence.
That's great.
Thank
Are
you.
you a global team right now, or just
We
operating?
are almost in 5 countries all across the globe.
Wow.
So there is also a lot of diversity to the team, and the technology is global as well.
Of course. And speaking of technology, can you tell us a little bit about how you're using NVIDIA technology to help enable your solution?
Sure. So we obviously deal with a lot of data, almost every day ingesting 42 billion GPS data points.
Wow.
We take that data with the NVIDIA's technology, we're able to process it almost 10 times faster and be able as well to generate heat maps at scale with 70% reduction thanks to the GPUs, the CUDAs, and the other technology that we use. Obviously, we also want to bring a lot of precision, not only speed and affordability to the intelligence, but precision as well when it comes to mapping. And we work very closely with Earth-2 team, utilizing a lot of the meteorological models that are out there, so we can not only do this at scale, but make sure localities are mapped with a lot of granularity and precision. Accuracy is very important in what we do.
Absolutely. And I know, of course, I think there is, underrepresentation in the sustainability space, and I always appreciate meeting startups that are working towards, a more sustainable future. But I also know there's a lot of limitations and issues that you would run into. So can you talk a little bit about, as a startup founder, how you work to overcome some of those challenges?
Yeah, we're trying to solve for the problem of temperature, not by tackling it from the perspective of the user having to sign up for the solution. We're trying to do it everywhere all the time, but not being there as well. Like NVIDIA's technology, they are the infrastructure of AI. They're everywhere but nowhere. And
Right.
we're trying to bring FortyGuard to the world in the same manner. So whether it's introducing your next walking distance for a cooler route, introducing autonomous cooling or robot thermal comfort so they can operate all the time as well at certain temperatures. There's a lot of challenges into building those relationships. I think being part of NVIDIA's ecosystem allowed us to accelerate this. So we built a lot of partnership with different enterprise companies out there, allowing us to really put this not only as a data set, but as an intelligence layer into all the products and the services that they can now put and subsidize even to their users so everyone can have access to this temperature data.
It's great, and it's great. I mean, entering a new market, building a strong network is essential, and it's amazing that you're able to do that so well. As we kind of wrap up, is there anything that you would want the viewers to know about yourself or the company?
I think at FortyGuard, we are obviously building a category for temperature, and it's not an easy exercise. Hence why we're here and getting all the support that we need from NVIDIA. I'd like everyone to subscribe to what we're doing. We can't build this without everyone's support. And as much as NVIDIA is doing, and as much as we're heads down building the technology, we'd like people to support us as well, using the technology itself, seeing how is this going to reflect onto their decisions, into their thermal comfort, into their health, into their choices as well, and maybe sharing that feedback with us so we can just work on all of that and make sure that our technology is used by everyone and it's for everyone accessible so they can get the benefits that they want out of it.
It's very inspiring what you're doing.
Thank
really
you.
appreciate you teaching us about that today, and we look forward to supporting you and hope you enjoy the rest of your conference.
Likewise, thank you so
Thank
much
you
for
so
having
much.
me.